Hello, good morning, welcome back to another video. My name is Laura and today we're going to Disney World. Yeah. Okay, but we're also, oh, there's my coffee. I thought I was in the kitchen. We're also running a little bit behind, so I'll just catch up with you guys later. Just want to do a quick intro for you. So we'll catch up with you guys later. We're going to Epcot.
Hi, sweetie. Can I reset your magic dance? Thank you. I'm gonna have you try one more time. Okay, sorry. Right up here, bud.
Yay! Here she is, the queen. All right, Mom's got her scooter. So now they're matching. We've made it in. I am already sweaty. It is 8:48. There's a Cameron.
Tourist.
We're under this beautiful lady. That was my thumbnail, like this. Like that. Alright, just kidding. Spaceship Earth was closed, so we're doing The Seas with Nemo and Friends. We're on the sea, under the sea. Except it's Nemo.
Nemo, where are you, son? Nemo?
Just look at that coral. Oh, hi, Dory. She's on a mission.
See
Hi, Nemo. There he goes. Disney World has dolphins. We're down at the sea, going to the land. Land and sea. I am
of the surface.
so sweaty. How are you not so sweaty?
Oh, I am.
Look at that glow. Florida glow.
Goose Goat boys. Boys are for Goose Goat. Yeah. It's all
Hello.
coming together.
Hello.
It's her speaker. Trisha's asking if that's a toupee on you.
It is a little toupee.
It's a weave, actually.
Yeah. This is Trisha, everybody. Mama Harvey. And then we have Greg over there. And you all know Scott. Yeah. This is our crew today. So when you see everybody, that's everybody. And we're all glowing.
Got the Florida glow.
Got it going.
The future of agriculture may include innovative ideas like this vertical growing system. Plants grown in this way use a fraction of the space.
Winnie the Pooh's out catching butterflies. It is 10:30 and we've already finished the land and the sea. I think pretty good. Cameron and I are going to do Mission Space.
I got soda.
Look at this fancy soda.
50 years old, this soda.
Gross. And then the rest of the group went over to World Showcase because they don't want to do Mission Space. Last time we were here, I didn't get to do the intense version, so I'm doing that this time. I'm a little nervous. Just finished Mission Space. We did the hard one, and it wasn't actually all that bad. Right?
Yup.
Yeah. I think the next plan is a potty and then go meet up with everyone in World of Showcase.
World of Showcase.
Alright, we came from the bathrooms over to this farmer's feast. And I got the, oh gosh, I'll put it up on the screen what it is, but it's a 6 ounce of it. It's small. And Cameron got this really pretty lemonade hibiscus. Again, I'll put the name up on the screen, but it's so pretty. And they're both alcoholic, so cheers.
Chills.
Chills. This is I wanted a cold, like cider of some sorts. And this is exactly what I wanted. I should have gotten the 11 ounce. Oh well. Okay, like, here's what I got. I got the Collective Arts Raspberry Lemon Verbena Leaf Steeped Sparkling Hard Tea. It's like an Amazon listing. It's really good. And then Cameron got the hibiscus lemonade cocktail featuring that brewery and distillery hibiscus gin. He had to get a spoon to stir it. There's a little plastic. Okay, now try it.
Better.
Yeah?
Much better.
Sweet. All right, let's go find the group. Cameron and I are on to drink number 2. Cheers.
Cheers.
In Italy. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. The peach Moscato is good. It's very refreshing.
Very refreshing.
Okay, we're having lunch. We're at the In America. I got the seafood boil.
Of course we're in America.
A bunch of seafood boils, gumbo. Trisha got the boudin bites. Looks good. Okay, on to drink number, 3? Cheers.
Cheers.
Good thing you're not drinking around the world today.
That's right.
It's good. It tastes like something.
Plum, soon.
I know, but like a,
Wine?
like a, almost like a fruit roll-up something.
Gushers?
Kind of, yes, actually. Did you try it?
I've never liked that.
Smell it with Gushers in mind.
Nope, that's fruit by the foot.
Is it fruit by the foot?
That is fruit by the foot.
Okay.
That is absolutely fruit. That is berry tie-dye fruit by the foot.
Yes, it is. It's one of those. Those are the same, really. This might be my new favorite area in Epcot. I don't know what my favorite area before now was, but I think it's this. As the child screams in the background. How cute are they? They're so cute. We just finished Ratatouille, and let me tell ya, it was worth. We waited a little over an hour. It was like an hour and 10 minutes. Totally worth it. Totally, so good, so good. Now, Cameron, it's gonna be hot.
Thanks, you want that one?
Is it burning your butt off?
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah. I've seen the countries like at a distance. Their skylines. We've got some dinner reservations in Mexico in about an hour at 3:45. So
we're in Canada now. We'll never make it.
we're in Canada now. So we're just gonna look around Canada and I don't know, Epcot in general, I guess, for an hour. There's a cave down there.
Spooky.
Spooky cave.
That's the restaurant.
Cameron was saying this place is 90% of his his wardrobe. His buffalo plaid. Rolling out of dinner. It was so good. I got the shrimp tacos and they were delicious. But we're headed back to the hotel for a rest because we actually got VIP seating tonight for the fireworks. I don't even know what the fireworks here are called. But
50th anniversary special, spectacular.
Yep. But we got VIP seating for it. So we were probably, if we didn't do that, we were probably going to stay in the park a little longer and then go back early this evening. But because we're going to come back for that, we're going to go back to the hotel and rest for a little bit and then come back for fireworks. We napped pretty good. We're back. We're back here. Should I just vlog like this from now on?
Yep, definitely.
When you're here. You're here.
You're here.
Okay. Anyways, we napped a lot. We watched some Food Network. We're back for fireworks. But first we're gonna ride Spaceship Earth. You can't tell, but I'm leaning over like this. Okay, I'm sorry if I'm making you dizzy. I don't know why I fell into that.
Shortly. Thank you.
We love a scientist queen.
Let's take a look, shall we? Welcome to the future. Or should I say, your future? You and your future. You're on. I won't have to worry about your pets by your side. Ladies and gentlemen, imagine listening today. At the moment you arrive.
Okay, heading into World Showcase. Oh, now it's kind of dark. These flowers are freaking beautiful. Super bright. Alright, before we go take our seats, we're getting some caramel treats. That rhymed.
Excuse me, VIP seats.
VIP seats, yeah, whatever.
You're welcome.
For what?
The VIP
Being difficult.
You're welcome for my cart running out of battery. I'm having to bring a new one.
Alright, so we're here. Is this in the Germany Pavilion? Cameron's getting the butter bar. Oh no. Never mind. Cameron's getting the caramel apple oatmeal cookie with
We
pecan.
want 2 bags of popcorn. Okay.
And I'm getting this.
A gingerbread cookie.
I'm getting that.
A
Yeah, the music's really loud, but it's so pretty here at night. Look at you, Germany. Look at you.
Cookie.
Our snacks. This is mine.
Want to open?
I thought we got 2 bags.
We did. There's
Oh,
one
okay.
here. Pace yourself.
I know, I just didn't want us all missing out on the popcorn. What is that?
That is a gingerbread
Something.
caramel cookie thingy.
Dang.
And then we have a caramel
Butter bar?
butter bar. Should have got a knife.
And I got a Mickey marshmallow. And Cameron got an oatmeal cookie, but that's less exciting. Because it's an oatmeal cookie.
We got caramel and apples in it.
That's good. Look at that ball. This is our view for fireworks. I assume it's a good view.
There's the thing there.
What?
The thingy's over there.
That round thing?
The round one. The round one.
Look at that sky. Good spot. I don't know how much I'm going to actually film because I want to watch,
Yeah,
but we'll get a couple clips. objects of Walt Disney World. What? Why?
And then their expression, it's even worse that they don't have facial features.
Yet they're still, like, that one's head is tilted, and that's really
Yeah,
creepy about that.
it's like there's a slice, and then they just put a.
I don't.
Oh, no. No problem.
So we're in the creation shop. Cameron has a problem. Oh no. Giant Cinderella castle pops. That is a problem.
Because I'd have to carry it onto the plane.
Yeah, we can't pack that.
You'd have to ship that.
Yeah. Alright. Good night, pretty lady. See you soon. Probably tomorrow. Okay, remember when I said good night earlier? I changed my mind. Look at her.
She is beauty. She is grace.
She's a golf ball in space.
You did it.
Okay, now good night. There's a rhino. There's a rhino.
This airport has everything. Rhinoceroses, giants and coyotes.
A lion. A Starbucks. Okay, so I got this little box for lunch at the airport. Regular, right? Yeah, it seems regular. Until you see how many cheeses I got. That and so many cheeses. Just on the way out of the... Oh, it's still recording.
No.
She's stuck. Alright, we are rolling